Good day everyone, it's Chanel here, and today I have a table centerpiece for your dining room table. And continue to watch the video all the way up until the end. And again, if you like the content here, don't hesitate to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. Now there are a few items that you will need for completing this particular DIY dining room table centerpiece, and that will be a bowl or a vessel of your choice. Here I am using something that is flat and that does not have raised sides, because I'm going to be adding, as you can see here, the different picks, which are Christmas picks, into the actual bowl that I'll be using, which is a wooden bowl. And of course, I will be using some Christmas baubles or ornaments, as some people like to call them. And we will get started on the centerpiece. Now here you'll just place your candles, which I'm using as well, inside of the vessel that you would like to use, and then just gently lay all of your greenery all the way around the entire centerpiece. Now if this is going on maybe a buffet where it is against a wall or you won't see the back, you don't have to do the entire arrangement all the way around, but fill it in enough to where you will not see the void in the back. But like you can see here with mine, it is going on a round dining room table, and so it will be accessed, or where you can see it, all of the guests that sit at the table, all the way around. So I want to cover the entire surface with the greenery and the Christmas picks, as well as the ornaments that I will be loosely placing in the vessel as well. Now this is a very simple, very easy centerpiece that just about anyone can do. Again, just taking your greeneries, your foliage, and just again laying them out on the bowl or on your vessel, and then as you see me here, just placing all of the Christmas ornaments, baubles, whatever you would like to call them, inside as well, loosely placing them all the way around. And I hope you enjoy the video and you get inspired to create something for your dining room table, maybe something like this. And again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all in the next one.
In the crowded streets, calling Christmas time, the ones we meet wear their warmest smile. And from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't be late. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song, heard through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow on a special night. Every child awake, for at Christmas time there is magic in